The Experience section is the meat and potatoes of your LinkedIn profile. This is where you showcase your past work experience, accomplishments, and skill sets. To edit your Experience section, simply click the pencil in the top corner. If you want to add a section, simply hit the plus sign. Your Experience section should pretty much mirror what your resume work history looks like. If it's completely different, it will confuse employers. Each role should have 3 to 7 quantifiable accomplishments per role in bullet form. Again, you can copy and paste the bullet sign here from a Word document and put it into your profile. We typically recommend getting your resume done first and then copying and pasting your work history into your Experience section of your profile to make it easy. Now, instead of listing job responsibilities and tasks for each position you've held, we're going to be more strategic and really impress employers. When filling out this section, think back to the skill sets you listed in your summary section. You'll want to provide proof that you've used these skill sets in your Experience section. To do this, think about what projects or accomplishments you've had in the past that reinforce these skill sets. If you're struggling to come up with bullet points, think about your responsibilities in each role. Which ones required you to use the skills you listed at the top of your profile? Then add some depth by tying in numbers to those responsibilities. This will help you show the size and scope of your projects as well as the depth of your experience in these areas. For example, let's say one of my top skills is email marketing. Instead of just saying email marketing or managed email marketing campaigns, I would tie a number to that work so I can show employers how much experience I really have in this area. I'd also include any specific software programs I use to increase keyword density. So I might make my bullet point, managed 45 plus email marketing campaigns within MailChimp. Notice that I included a number, a keyword and skill set, and a technology that I claim to understood in my top fold. This is exactly what you want to do in your Experience section. Including quantifiable accomplishments that incorporate relevant skill sets is a must-do in this section. Remember the rule of thumb. Numbers equal results and results equal value. If you can prove that you already provided value using these skill sets, you're going to be much more attractive to recruiters. If you're having trouble quantifying your accomplishments, ask yourself, how much, how big, how many, how long? Look for nouns in your bullet points to see if you can tie numbers to them, even if they're just estimates. When filling out your Experience section, keep these things in mind. Leverage empty space. Don't use big paragraphs. Break it up with spaces and bullet points like this. Include 3 to 7 quantifiable accomplishments for each position, and incorporate as many numbers as you can to show your depth of experience. If you follow these guidelines, you'll have an impressive Experience section that will strategically reinforce the skill sets you used above in your top fold to reinforce your value. When you're done with this part of your profile, we'll move on to your Education section.